I am Misha, a professional interior designer, and today I will review the Bosch laser measurement tape GLM 40. Hello, welcome to Design by Misha, a YouTube channel that brings you a lot of ideas and inspiration for your home. First thing first, this is not a paid promotion. I purchased this device 2 years back, so this is a completely unbiased long-term review. The Bosch GLM 40 is an electronic distance measuring tool. It uses a laser to measure distance between two solid objects. Unlike the regular tape measure, this device can do a lot more than just measure distances. Not only can you measure the length of a wall, but you can also find the area of a wall if you need. It has a host of other functions. All the functions are displayed on the screen right now. Feel free to pause the video and check them out. Bosch GLM 40 comes with a digital backlight screen that is easy to use in dark areas. It has 5 keys which are splash proof. Beautifully rubberized grip can be seen on 3 sides, which mean it won't be easily slip from your hand. Please make sure you don't point towards someone's eye or even camera lens. It can be extremely harmful. At the back, we have some information like model number, details of the battery to be used. We can use 2 AAA batteries. I normally use rechargeable batteries since I use this often at my sites. Rechargeable batteries can save you a bit of money. Please note that the battery compartment is not waterproof, so make sure you don't spill any liquids here. There is a small space that you can use to add a lanyard to ensure it does not get lost when working at construction site. This tool will enable you to make calculation without having to figure things out with pencil, paper and tape measure. Determining the volume or area is simple as clicking a few buttons. You typically don't need anyone else's help to carry out the measurements. The accuracy of laser measuring device is excellent. You no longer have to rely on old-fashioned methods to determine the proper measurement for a project. No more counting the minor divisions on the tape or struggling to keep the tape perfectly straight when measuring long distances. It is small and compact, making it very easy to carry in your pocket or purse. This model can store up to 10 measurements, as this tool uses a laser beam to measure the distance. Climbing a ladder or accessing a ceiling to take the measurement is not necessary when measuring the height of a room, and this is a big safety benefit. Traditional tape measure require no battery. Just extend the tape, take your reading and you're good to go. No need to worry about having a low battery or buying an extra batteries. I bought this for 5,000 Indian rupees about 2 years back from Amazon. You can now get this at about 4,000 after discount, but its actual cost is 8,000 Indian rupees. If you are a business professional, then think of this as an investment. It will quickly recover its cost in terms of time saved. However, I recommend that you keep a traditional tape measure handy just in case you run out of batteries. The Bosch GLM 40 is a very versatile tool that can reduce the time it takes to measure a site drastically. The time saving combined with the host of features available on the device make it a must-have tool in an interior designer's kitty. So that was my review of the Bosch GLM40. I hope you found it useful. If you want me to make a detailed video of this, please let me know in comments below.